say it is almost 7 o'clock in the morning, and Buggy has been talking to us for about an hour. So we figured we'd get it on tape. He starts screaming to feed. We apologize.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Talk to him, Bug.
Oh, what's going on? Oh yeah, what else?
What else? Daddy's been giving you kisses, making you smile. Where's your smile?
He's getting camera shy. Oh. Oh.
Babble to us. Come on.
Oh.
Look at that grip he's got going.
Oh.
What's that pretty face?
That's not a good morning face. That's I'm taking a crap face. Oh. Squeeze it
Yeah,
out.
tell him, baby.
You're gonna blow O-ring. Yeah. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick.
Are you getting hungry? You're snorting. Grandma likes it when you snort.
You're a piggy.
Speaking of little piggy, how much did you eat last night, child?
A lot.
Dang, Grandma Barbie babies at you last night, huh? And you guys took a bath and talked and... Uh-oh. That's the Binky Bopper. Makes everything right in the world.
I never shuts him up.
We don't want him to shut up. Look at him. Look at you like, screw you, dude.
No.
Yeah, talk to Daddy.
Yeah.
Aw, Daddy and his mini-me. And Evan slept so good last night, we woke him up in the middle of the night because we weren't sure if he was okay or not. We came home at 9:30, he was asleep, and by 1 o'clock he still hadn't woken up, so we said, maybe we should get him up and check on him.
Let's look at the camera, Bug.
So Mommy woke him up, changed his diaper, gave him a bottle, and went right back to sleep. Turns out last night, Eddie was not the rock star. Evan.
Oh.
Evan Edward. Come here, baby. Are you being camera shy?
Mom, that stupid thing is always in my face.
I'm not the paparazzi. Don't tell me off.
He's getting hungry again.
Get hungry.
He wants the boob. Oh,
Well, keep talking to us. That's why I wanted to videotape. Alright, I can't make it too long because then I can't upload it on the YouTube. And I can't make you a rock star. Okay, you want to say bye to everybody? Say goodbye.
Woman, give me your kitty.
Oh. Alright, Eddie, we're going to go bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. Good job. Alright, get mad.